Greetings, Ridgeway students. Mr. Shima here, and today I'm going to show you how to log into our brand new CDLS BUZZ platform that we're going to be using for a lot of our online-based classes, such as your math classes, some of your science classes, and maybe some other electives that you might be taking. Now, you might be thinking, wait, Shima, another learning management system? Is it Google Classroom? No, it's not Google Classroom. Is it Schoology? No, it's not Schoology. This is another one that we have to use in conjunction with CDLS. I know what you're thinking. You're like, another one of these. I promise you this one's really easy. As a matter of fact, if you've worked with Google Classroom before, this one's going to feel very, very familiar and simple, actually, to use. All right, so let's get rolling, shall we? All right, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to log into a Chrome browser would be the ideal one that you want to use. And make sure that you are logged in to something that's in Google Base, like Gmail or something like that. Okay, so you can see I'm in my Gmail. And you're going to go to this, open up a new tab, and you're going to go to this URL, ridgeway-cdls.agilixbuzz.com. And I'll put that on the screen for you too, so you can see it really easily. And go ahead and get there. You should get to a screen that looks like this. All right, then go ahead and click the login button right up here at the top corner. Boop. And that should take you inside the classroom. Now, I do want to say, if for some reason you log in and it gives you an error message saying you are not recognized as a user, it's very possible that you were not added into our group of users for our school district. And that could be for a couple reasons. Might have just been an oversight, or maybe you're a brand new student and we just haven't added you into our system yet. So just let your teacher know, and she'll contact our IT department, Kevin and Raymond, and they will get you enrolled and set to go so you can log in just like I explained, and you should be ready. Okay, now what you'll see here, or what you may see here, I should say, is your classes that you're enrolled in, or some of them that you're in here. Some of you may log in and there'll be nothing here, and you're going to go, oh no, I'm not enrolled in any math classes. Actually, you might be relieved. I don't know. But you may see a proxy somewhere around in this area of your screen, like, hey, do you want to enroll in a class? Click here. But the best place to do it, because it just kind of lives there permanently, is up here in the upper right-hand corner where your profile picture would be as a student. And I'll show you how to set that up in a later video. It's not that hard to do. But you should have this option here called Enroll in Course. All right. Now it's going to go here and it's going to ask you for a registration code. You're like, wow, where do I get that registration code? Now, it might be two places, depending on your teacher and how they want to give you that information. You might find it in Schoology, because they might have you log into Schoology and say, hey, I'm going to put all of your information for your math class, your science class in Schoology. So you might actually click on courses and see your course already there. And when you click on it, you might see something that says, hey, the social media CDLS course BUZZ invite. All right. Oh, there's the information. And there's that website I told you about already. And there's the code that we're looking for, right? You might also get it emailed to you. So if I go on the email here, you'll see that, oh, I got an email from Mr. Shima, and it's the same instructions. Okay, there's that code there again as well. So you want to highlight that code, copy it, Command C if you're on a Mac, Control C if you're on a PC, and then paste it in here, and Command V. There we go. And we'll verify that code. And there's my course. It's going to ask you, do you want to enroll in this? You're not enrolled yet. You got to click on that little enroll button. And when you do that, it'll say, great, you've enrolled in this course. Click view to get started. Or if you want to, that'll take you right directly to the course. Or you can X out of this up here in the corner. And then it'll take you back to your home page, your home course page. And you can see that has now been added to all of your courses. Now, for some of you, you might have 3 or 4 of these courses. Some of you might just have one. But that's how you get to it. And then from here, it works very similar to Google Classroom. You can click on the course and see everything that you're supposed to be doing. You also have the 3 hot dogs up here at the upper left-hand corner to get you back to the home screen. And then use the 3 hot dogs to find your courses here too as well. All right, I'll give you a more in-depth tour of the BUZZ platform in a future video, but that is how you get logged in. If you're using a computer that's not yours, be sure to log out of your course. All right, but most of you will be working on your own personal device. Otherwise, if you're not, make sure that you log out. And that's it. Good luck.